Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk all about how I got all these Harley Davidson finds on Friday. And I'm pretty sure every Harley Davidson fan is cringing at some nerd like me wearing a Harley Davidson leather jacket, but I just had to wear it for this video's sake. I wanted to talk all about how I found this particular estate sale and my strategy for finding the best goodies right away. So let's just jump into it. First of all, let me show you the back of this really cool jacket. Okay, so first of all, I get email updates from all of the estate sale companies in my area, and I get emails that notify me when a new estate sale is coming up and what kind of items they have, whether they're antique items, new items, clothing, what kind of house, where they live. So I take all that information, what area they're in, what kind of house they had, what kind of things are in the pictures, and I base my decision whether or not to go on that information. So this estate sale was called Harley Davidson Collector Estate Sale. So immediately I was like, okay, I'm gonna be there early because I know that it's gonna probably be packed. So that is tip number one, is please get there early. I was there 20 minutes early and there were still people like 10 deep ahead of me. But then there were 20 more lined up behind me when the estate sale actually opened its doors. So get there early. And I also made a list of the things that I wanted to find first because I knew they were the most valuable. Things like the Harley Davidson leather jackets, which I know go for a lot of money. I've sold jackets in the past anywhere from $150 to $200, and I think I have some here that are worth even more. So when I go to these estate sales, I'm kind of all business. I have my head down, I know what I'm looking for, I'm friendly and polite, but not overly so. I'm just there to get the stuff and move on because I know the best stuff's gonna be picked over first. So immediately I flew into the house after the 10 people. I went to the closet and tried to find the leather jackets, and sure enough, they were in the hall closet right as soon as I walked in. I just elbowed some people, just kidding, and I grabbed all of them. And I ended up grabbing 3 leather jackets, 2 vests, and another Harley jacket that's like an orange canvas material. And I immediately grabbed those, and then I went to the closet in the main bedroom and I found more of the button-down Harley shirts, a few of the big 3D logo design shirts. I knew there are a few 3D logo, big logo Harley t-shirts that are really rare and really valuable. So I looked for those first, but unfortunately I couldn't find them. But I knew secondly that the button-down shirts did really well. Let me show you some of the things that I got. First of all, I found this is one of my leather vests, and it has, I think this guy really liked Sturgis because it had all the Sturgis patches going from 2003 to 2012. Even though this isn't a Harley branded leather vest, with all the patches, I think that makes it more valuable. This is a Harley 2XL, and bigger sizes are better, by the way. Full zip leather jacket with this Harley Davidson studded detail on the back. This one might be my favorite jacket though. It is a fully embroidered Harley Davidson distressed leather jacket with a fleece vest lining, and I thought it was extremely cool. I've listed this at $250 plus shipping, and it already has 8 watchers, so I anticipate this to sell pretty quickly. This is just a plain leather vest, but it is Harley Davidson branded. I have this listed for $90 plus shipping on eBay, and it already has a bunch of watchers, so I think that'll go quickly as well. This one I had to clean the collar, so I haven't listed it yet, but it has this cool Harley Davidson big emblem on the back. It is not leather, but I still think that these go for good money, so I will list it probably $90 to $100. Sorry, make that 3 leather vests. I lost count. This is the Harley Davidson big patch leather vest that I think is really cool, and anything that has a big, large embroidered logo, flames, skulls, wings, those all do great. For example, this t-shirt I picked up because it has a bald eagle, a motorcycle, American flag, all those things are great. Big, loud prints, big logos. This is a Harley Davidson silk Hawaiian shirt. I thought the pattern was really cool. I have this listed for $40 plus shipping, and it has a few watchers, so I'm really excited. And by the way, I don't think anything gives my store on eBay more traffic and watchers than Harley Davidson gear. It has a cult following and it always sells pretty quickly for me. Especially though, the leather jackets, any of the boots, any of the memorabilia, button-down shirts, those go a lot faster. The t-shirts are great, but you have to pick out certain styles. This is a basic sleeveless denim Harley Davidson big patch all embroidered shirt. And again, all of these sizes are 2XL, XL, larger sizes. And larger sizes tend to just do better for me. So these are the button-down shirts I'm talking about. This is again all embroidered, big logo on the back. It's like a racing shirt. This guy had all of his t-shirts dry cleaned, so I pulled off the dry cleaning tag for each one of these so I know they're in pristine condition. This is another all embroidered button-down Harley Davidson long sleeve. And just with this logo alone, I know it's going to sell well. This is another, you guessed it, all embroidered flames Harley Davidson big logo button down 2XL. These are going the fastest for me. The leather jackets, I've gotten some lowball offers. I'm kind of waiting for the right buyer on those because they are in really good condition or really cool and unique. Another eagle all embroidered Harley Davidson button down shirt. And then this one had a cool all embroidered flame logo on it as well. I also grabbed this really cool Harley Davidson pocket watch with the chain, and it's in perfect condition. You can see it opens like that. I didn't know people still carried pocket watches, but apparently they do. Comps on eBay are anywhere from $67 to $80 for these. Because it has this cool holder, belt holder, I priced mine at around $90 and we'll see what offers I get. Okay, so at this estate sale, I went through really fast and got a huge armful of all of the clothing and the jackets, right? And I went to check out and I think I pissed everybody off. And I was like, sorry, I was here first. And I grabbed it all and put it in a huge yard-sized garbage bag. And then I brought it to my car. And I even think I strained my neck because of the weight of that thing, but we won't go there. And then I went back to go over anything else that I might have missed, and I still found some really cool gear. But I found one thing that is, I think, my favorite find and has nothing to do with Harley Davidson. This is a Fujitsu Scan Snap. Everyone passed over it. It was just on the floor. They only charged me $5 for this, and it actually sells for anywhere from $400 to $500. Really popular item right now, and I'm extremely grateful that I found it and grabbed it. It seems to be working perfectly too. So I also found this Toomey bag. Toomey is a brand you need to know because it goes for a ton of money. I've sold a bag like this in the past for over $200. Here's the tag. I've sold 2 of their leather bags in the past and they're really high value. You can usually see the logo right away on the zipper if it doesn't have the tag intact still. And I went for this as soon as I saw it because I love Toomey, and what was great was they priced this really tiny Toomey bag at $30, which is just not in the price range that'll make me money, but they priced this large one at $25, which leaves me plenty of room for profit since I'm probably gonna sell it for well over $100. Anyway, all in all, I just showed you a few of the items that I got. I got 2 huge garbage bags full of stuff that I put in my car. When I added up what I hope it'll sell for, it was over $3,000, and I only paid a few $100s for everything. So I'm extremely grateful for this. And I would just say, for a tip, another tip for an estate sale is to negotiate with the person you're checking out with. I asked for a discount on my first huge haul and they gave it to me. So don't be afraid to ask for a discount and tell them, hey, I'll be a great customer for you. They really just want people to purchase the stuff. So as far as my estate sale tips go early if you can. Like I said earlier, have a plan, know what you're gonna go for first. Negotiate with the person checking you out and be kind and be a nice person, and they might be able to give you a discount if you buy a certain amount of items. 4 is to just research ahead of time, look through the pictures thoroughly, see where the person lived, what neighborhood they were in, get an idea of what kinds of things they're selling. Then you'll know if it's worth it to go. And I would say tip number 5 is you don't go to estate sales to make friends unless it's the person running the estate sale. You go to get your stuff and get out. And that's kind of my mentality. I'm never mean, I'm never rude, but if I know what I'm going for, I grab it. And last of all, I would say for an estate sale, just keep your head down, stay focused. You're not really there to make friends unless it's with the person checking you out. You're there to find your stuff, find what's valuable, and get out. Because you could walk out with thousands of dollars of profit, which I did on Friday morning, and I'm thrilled about. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for putting up with me in my Harley Davidson leather jacket. Sorry, Harley lovers, if you're cringing and dying out there. I know I'm not worthy of wearing the Harley, but I just had to for this video. If you like videos like this, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so I know to make more. And I wish everyone good luck with their next estate sale. Drop in the comments below what your favorite estate sale find was and let me know. I love hearing stories like that. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.